Today we'll be redoing the bunker.
I've not got enough. Alright, you ready?
Right, we're going to redo the bench. Big heavy peg through. Right, just mark that out first.
You are like us. So we're going to be eating food now, as you can see by the cinder block on the fire. Oh wait, can I have a go at the nunchucks?
Dope shows.
That's going to be fucking hot.
Try and... Look at that, man!
I've got cholera.
No, but chicken. Chicken's first, Lawrence.
That's not the best thing you've ever seen.
I've got a pot of oil. Oh, you've got oil too. Does that have anything on it? Cool.
End of oil.
What do you mean? Nothing.
He does.
Right, I will get the chicken, Lawrence. Put everything on.
That's going to be...
Beans are almost done.
Because I think ahead.
Because you're very smart.
Don't steal his fame. Won't rub in. I've been rubbing for ages. What's the time? Time you got to watch.